Alrighty guys, welcome back, or maybe it's your first time here. So we're going to show you how to use a keyless chuck in a cordless drill driver combo, whatever. Works for a corded version too. Anyway, the chuck is keyless, so you're going to put this one back out. Okay, and some of them have the switch up here in the front, toggles back and forth, but you want it to back out. Grab a hold of the tip of the chuck. Pull the button. That opens this up. Now, you flip the button to go to drill inwards. You're going to put your bit in there, and you're going to hold it again. You can see it's clamping down on it. Hold it tight, give it a crack or two, and now she's in there, she's ready to go. To remove her, it's the same thing. Grab a hold, hit the button, she's out. Grab a different bit, whatnot, slide in there, boom, she's ready to go. Now you can put her down on it. Pull a Phillips head 2 in here, so I can put her down on a screw. Most screws are Phillips head 2s. Put her down and tighten something up, or reverse it to loosen it up. So, anyway, if you found this informative and you like this content, go ahead and give the video a like. Feel free to subscribe. It's always free to do that. Up here, we're going to put a video for probably what YouTube recommends for you. Down here, it's going to be like my most recent video. And over here, on the top of my head, we're probably going to put a maybe a playlist for how to do simple things with a drill driver. And then right down here, we're going to go ahead and put a little head of me there so you can subscribe if you want. Bye!